Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Milligan. I'm here with Dr. Ron Schefdore, the owner of Pharmaden Nutraceuticals and also HealthyHeart.com. Ron, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for interviewing me.
Absolutely. So Ron's got a lot going with dentistry on the internal aspect of patients and how that relates to the mouth. In fact, we're here at the American Academy for Oral Systemic Health inaugural meeting. But Ron, talk to us about Pharmaden. Let's talk about Pharmaden first, and then about HealthyHeart.com, okay?
Sure. We have 3 products, and one of them is double-blind tested, the only double-blind tested nutraceutical in America, and it reduces inflammation, pocket depth, bleeding, plaque, and the Loma Linda study showed that. Okay. And you take that with our bone remineralization product, osteotherapy, very high absorbing, and then perio care is the maintenance. Okay. And then with that, if you have a periodontal patient, you test for diabetes or any kind of medical issues. So that way we're taking care of the inside as well as the outside. Makes and sense. We can get people well and keep them well.
Yeah, but there's such a correlation there, and it just makes sense. You've got to get your body healthy, composed of many tissues, in order to get your oral tissues healthy. And that's what you're talking about here. Exactly.
Build up the immune system, let their own natural immune system help us, and you'll see remarkable results. I mean, we have 1,000 doctors that use this. Yeah. You can interview, I mean, even Chris Kammer, he's the president of the AAOSH. Right. I mean, he uses it along with
product. We're talking about that.
Yeah, and they work great. They see results, and that's what it's all about.
Yeah, absolutely. I've actually done bleeding point testing and different nutritional testing in my own office. Yeah. We were able to reduce the number of bleeding points 67% by taking nutraceuticals.
Yep.
And just some reducing pocket depth. It's just fantastic.
You should see what it does with blood tests with C-reactive protein. Yeah. It's a real hot marker now, but dentists are reducing it 30 to 90% within 30 days.
Yeah, well, let's talk about that now. You've also got a product line where you have many blood tests that you can show the dentist how to do in their office.
Yep.
Let's go into that right now.
Okay, they're finger stick tests that are 95 to 98% accurate.
Wow.
It takes the liability out of their office because all they have to do is the patient puts a drop of blood, sends it into our lab, and they get a professional report.
Yep.
Then they use that professional report to send or fax a letter to the patient's physician, and now they could start getting a physician referrals off of that.
Great.
So not only you get the patient healthier, you work with the physicians and you start getting referrals, and it's just a win-win for everybody.
So what all does the blood sticks tell you? You've got tests for C-reactive protein.
Yep.
And what else?
A1C, which is the average of the last 3 months of glucose.
Right.
Cholesterol, full panel cholesterol, insulin. And then we have a vitamin D test. All my perio patients were short on vitamin D.
Every one of them.
Yep.
Short on vitamin D.
Everyone.
You can test for that now.
We can test for that.
Right. Absolutely.
So it elevates the whole profession. If we all practice like this, it brings us closer to our medical colleagues.
Right.
And it really puts the office at a different level.
It really does. Yeah.
And it's great for everybody.
Right. Okay. And now tell us about HealthyHeart.com, please.
Well, HealthyHeartDentistry.com. That's HealthyHeartDentistry.com.
Okay.
And Pharmaden.net. Just go there. You can see the research. You can see the products. And if you have any questions, call our 800 number. We'll help any dentist or hygienist incorporate this into their office.
Do you know your number?
It's 800-910-5523.
There you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay.